Get the fuck out of my house.
Get the
fuck out of my house.
No, you are not allowed to come. You're fucking my house.
Dude, you bitch-ass motherfucker. Stop, guys.
On February 15th, 2025, neighbors called the police to report domestic violence. After hours of screaming and beatings, officers found Gary bleeding and evading questions, claiming he was just relaxing. His fresh injuries revealed a painful truth.
I'm sure shine a light up here.
Hi.
What's up, dude?
Officer Alvarez, Crystal Lake Police.
Yeah.
Mind if I come in, bud?
No.
No?
No.
What's going on today?
We're just going up.
What does that mean?
We're just hanging out.
What happened to your eye?
Doesn't matter, dude.
What do you mean it doesn't matter?
I got my best.
Actually, it does matter. We're coming in.
No, it actually doesn't. No, you're not coming in.
Don't touch me.
You're not touching me.
I will put you in handcuffs. Don't touch me.
My daughter.
I will put you in handcuffs.
No, my daughter hit me in my elbow.
Okay.
With her elbow. You're not coming in my house. You're not coming in my house, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
Don't touch me.
No. You're not coming in my fucking house.
Don't touch me.
Tell him right now.
You're not coming in
Tell
my
these
house.
motherfuckers
Make sure you guys are okay. That's
Calm
all.
down.
Yeah, tell these
Calm down.
motherfuckers
You're
not coming in my fucking house.
Remove your shoe right now.
Get the
I have
fuck out of here,
cause
dude.
to investigate
You
this.
and I have
No.
no. Because our old ass fucking neighbors that think
fuck
that
outta
they're
here.
Let's
crazy.
get this all figured
Walk
out.
away.
We just need to talk.
No, you're not talking to nobody. Get the
Walk
fuck
away.
out of here, bro.
Walk
Coming
away
in.
and calm down.
Get
You're
the
not
fuck out of
here.
here,
There's
dude.
no way you're
My,
coming.
Listen,
my
you're
daughter
not
plays
in-
basketball
I'm
and she hit me in my
letting
fucking
you know.
elbow. With her
I'm
elbow.
letting
Get
you
the
know.
fuck out of here.
Walk
And we're
away.
gonna talk about this,
You're
okay?
not coming in.
Yeah.
Listen.
Remove
See
your
this?
foot.
You see all these sports? Come here. Actually,
Relax.
step in here.
Stop. Don't
Step in
touch
here.
me.
Yo,
Don't fucking touch me.
motherfucker, step in here,
Don't touch me.
motherfucker.
Do not
Yo,
touch me.
get the fuck
Hey,
out. Step in here,
stop it.
motherfucker.
Relax.
Step in here. You step in here, motherfucker.
Relax.
Look at all this sports shit.
Okay,
You wanna see this shit?
we see that.
She fucking
Relax.
hit me. Get the fuck out of here.
Is there another unit available
Sports
for
shit.
the
Get
cell
the
phone?
fuck out of here,
Can you step
motherfucker.
out? We can just talk to you.
No, we're not talking nobody. You're not talking.
Make sure
You're not
that-
stepping out
Wait,
there.
please, I'm
Get the
not-
fuck out of here.
Don't
Who
touch
the
me.
fuck are you, you
Don't
little fucking
fucking touch
bitch
me,
ass
okay?
motherfucker?
Don't touch me,
You make
okay?
everything
No, I'm touching
Don't
you,
touch
bro.
me, all right?
Get the fuck out of here,
Step
bro.
back right now.
No, I'm not stepping
Step
shit.
back.
You're in my house.
Step
Get
back.
the fuck out of my house.
Stop
Get
getting
the
my
fuck out of my house.
No, you are not allowed to put
Stop.
You are not allowed to put your fucking foot in my house.
You're under arrest.
No.
Ma'am, you're under arrest.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
I'm not under arrest. You're not not assaulted
Don't make it
anybody.
any worse. Don't make it worse, okay? Don't make it worse, okay?
Get the fuck out of my house.
Do not make it
You're
worse.
done.
Don't make it
We're
worse.
doing it.
Yes,
Right now.
Do not make it
Get the
worse.
fuck out of my house.
Okay,
I'm not going to be under
you're
arrest.
not-
Relax.
I know my rights. I know my
You grabbed him. You're under arrest for aggravated battery.
No, I'm not.
Under arrest.
Relax. What's your
Get out of
name?
my house.
I will put you to the ground.
I told you to
Get out of
come
my
down
house.
one time.
Relax.
I told you to come down
Get out of my
one time.
house.
You
I don't have to do
grabbed him.
All
nothing.
right?
You under
Get out of my
arrest.
house.
Did you put
He's
your hands
actually
behind
under
your
arrest
back?
because he came into
Okay,
my home.
well, relax, relax. Ma'am,
Get out of my house.
Like I said, we're not
Get out of my
hands
home.
behind your back.
No.
Get out of my
Under
home.
arrest.
Get out of my home.
Behind your back.
I have a
Call
police officer.
your sergeant.
Turn around.
Call your
Get out of my
sergeant.
home.
You're
Get
under
out of my
arrest.
home.
Stop.
You're not.
Behind your back.
This man, no. The first officer came into my house without permission.
Call the police. The Crystal Lake police.
Stop.
The Crystal police are out of here.
Sergeant, now! I didn't do anything. The officer put his foot through my door, and I pushed him back. He does not have the right to come into my door without a warrant or without probable cause. No, call your sergeant.
No. Stop, guys.
Relax.
Guys. Stop. You guys are
Put your hands behind your back.
This is dumb. This is dumb. This is straight fucking dumb. You have nothing to do. You have nothing better to do. I got cameras. You fucking idiots.
Stop.
This is
Hey, he's
dumb.
grabbing your cuff.
I'm not grabbing shit, bro. You guys are dumb. You guys are fucking dumb. You guys are dumb, dude.
I got this on.
You got nothing, dude. You guys are fucking dumb little bitches. It's stupid, dude. I'm glad you have a hard on for this. Is it hard on for this? Are you a hard on for this, bro? Get out of here, dude. You guys are dumb. You guys are so fucked. You guys are so fucked.
I got them both.
You guys are dumb.
You're telling me he's detained? Okay.
Oh, you guys are dumb. Stop pressing my wrist, bro.
Stop. Relax.
No, dude. Get off my wrist.
Are you gonna be okay? Are you gonna be okay to get up?
Get the fuck off!
Or do we have to put you in a
I
rack?
got cameras.
Or do we have to put you in
I
a
got
rack?
cameras. That's fine, dude.
Okay.
There's cameras all around you, dude.
Are you gonna be okay to go to the squad?
Cameras, dude.
Are you gonna be okay?
You guys are dumb. You guys are dumb. You fucked up.
All right. Are you relaxed now?
You fucked up. I know you paid off the citizens' money. Yep. You dumb motherfucker, dude.
All right. We're gonna stand you up on your side, okay?
Yeah.
My side.
You fucking stupid, bro. You're not cool, bro. You fucked up, bro.
All right.
Hey, keep your legs up.
Run outside the squad. Okay.
You fucked up, bro. You guys hurt? You guys good?
I'm good. You got any holders?
Hold on.
You guys
Hold
fucked
on.
up, dude. They
Hold on.
fucked up, Nicole. You fucked up.
Just stay inside for right now.
Come
You
in.
guys fucked up.
Step back inside.
They fucked up. Get the fuck out of here, bro. They fucked up, dude. Dude, you bitch ass motherfucker.
Relax. Relax.
This little motherfucker. This little Mexican motherfucker.
Hey, let me step
You
in.
little bitch ass nigga, dude.
Relax. I
You
got
little
you.
bitch ass motherfucker, dude.
Relax. We're gonna talk.
No, fuck this motherfucker.
Hey, stop.
Stop this motherfucker out of here.
What's your first name?
Gary.
Gary.
Dude, you guys fucking really
Gary,
changed
can you please stop a minute?
You guys fucked
Oh,
up.
please, sir.
No, yeah, good.
Relax. Okay.
Cool.
I
You guys fucked up, though.
Are you hurting?
No, you fucked my house up, though. You fucked up. Yeah, you fucked up.
I need you to just stand right here for a second.
Cool, dude, you guys fucked up.
Gary, can you just stay
Dude, let's go. Loosen this
Is
up.
there anybody else in the house?
Nope. Thank God my kids are fucking gone.
Clear the house, make sure there's no kids.
No, don't go upstairs with your shoes. No.
You just got to do a protective sweep just to make sure. no one else
Take
is
put
in
some
there.
boots on, motherfucker.
So what
Yeah.
happened today before we showed up?
What do you mean? What happened? What?
We got called here for domestic. That's why we knocked on your door. Can you talk to me about what
What
happened?
do you mean? Who knocked on my door?
We knocked on your door.
I wasn't here. My kids played hardcore basketball sports. You're fucked. Seriously, you're fucked. You're fucked. Yeah, loosen my shit up. Jesus Christ, dude.
There's a jacket right here.
Fuck up. Look what you did.
Where's your pants at?
Thank God you didn't fuck my records up. That's worth more than all your fucking goddamn money makes.
Great, where's your pants?
Wait. Apple, where the fuck your fucking stupid name is? No, motherfucker. Find my pants, dude. Find my pants. Fucking asshole. We were fucking cooling out, dude. We got fucking old stupid fucking neighbors fucking talking shit. You know how much this bag costs, bro?
don't care how much it
I don't care. I know, because I'm a prick. Yeah, you're a fucking cocksucker. That's why. You're a fucking stupid. Now you fucking talking this.
That all might be true, but
It might
that's
be.
neither here nor there.
No, it's not, dude. You're a bitch, so that's why.
Okay.
It's cool, bro. I need my phone, though.
Is this your phone?
Grab my phone, bro. It's in my pocket, yeah.
Is this your phone?
Yeah, put the vest on me, too. Oh, fuck, that ain't my vest. That's my son's.
What's your son doing?
Alright, so, what's she in custody for?
She pushed me. And
She
then-
pushed you too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He was more of like lunging at me and putting his hands in an
He
aggressive
touched
manner.
you too, right?
And when I told him he was under arrest, he started to resist. Okay. All right, Gary, we're gonna get you out of here, okay?
These are too tight, I told
I know, man. I'll loosen them up in there, okay?
You're fucking dumb. It's my fucking son's shit, you dumb motherfuckers. I told you that.
Relax.
No, dude. I told you my son's shit, bro. Why are you taking my son's
What are
shit
you
in here,
talking about? You
Campbell?
talking about his jacket?
Yeah, dude.
There's only one we have.
I don't want it in this fucking cop shop, dude. Why would you want? Do you have kids?
Right here to the
No,
right.
do you have kids?
No, I don't.
No, neither one of you do. That's what's fucked up.
So in Illinois, there's no more bail, there's no more bond. So what's gonna happen is you guys are gonna go in front of a judge, and the judge is either gonna release you or he's not, okay?
When would they happen?
More than likely tomorrow morning.
Okay, so I need to call my boss and tell him I won't be at work at 6 in the morning?
I'm gonna put those on the phone right here, so you know, there's no more bond. Okay, you guys are both gonna go, to county, okay? You'll see a judge more than likely tomorrow morning, okay? I'm not gonna say for certain
So
because
bullshit.
I don't
Maybe
make
somebody
the,
comes in my house illegally.
I'm not here,
Illegally.
I'm not here to dispute that,
I
I'm not
understand.
siding with anyone, okay? I'm here after the fact. I'm trying to help you all get
Yeah.
through this process and get out of here and get on with your lives. Okay?
Gary was charged with aggravated assault on an officer and resisting arrest, while Nicole was charged with assault on an officer and resisting arrest. Gary was transported to the McHenry County Jail, while Nicole was transported to the same jail.